Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create Divsly free account using Google SSO. So the current page what you are seeing is a Divsly website where you can see all the features in it, and I have the login and sign up for free buttons on the top right corner. I'm going to click the sign up for free, which will take me to the page where I can create my account using Google SSO. So I'm going to click on Google sign in with Google. I have listed my email accounts. I'm going to choose one, selected my email account. And after sign up, I'll be landing in a page where I need to enter my mobile number. I'm going to give my mobile number here and agree for the terms and conditions, continuing the process. And you have to give some details like I'm going to give my details like what is your job title and the employees in your company. This is for basic requirements information collection. So then you're going to complete your profile and you'll be landing onto the onboarding.